Have you ever experienced that you wanted to just talk with someone in Chinese in the personal level, but in the end, you just end up embarrassing yourself? Or have you experienced that you try to engage with someone, you don't know how to say something in Chinese? If you have this kind of experience, don't worry. Today in this video, I will share with you how to connect with Chinese friends in Chinese. Okay, let's start with hobby. 你有空的时候喜欢做什么? What do you like to do in your free time? Let me break down of words for you. You, 你有空的时候 in your free time. 喜欢 like 做 do 什么 what. So what do you like to do in your free time? And you can say 我喜欢跑步 I like to run. And now I will tell you some habits in Chinese. 唱歌 singing 跳舞 dancing 读书 reading 写作 writing 做菜 cooking 游泳 swimming 跑步 running 踢足球 play football 打羽毛球 play badminton 打羽毛球打网球 play tennis 我 means I 喜欢 like 踢足球 play football 我喜欢踢足球 I like to play football 我喜欢跳舞 I like dancing 我 I 喜欢 like 跳舞 dancing 我喜欢跳舞 I like dancing. Okay, so what have you learned? If our video has helped you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you have any video topics you want to watch in our upcoming videos, leave your comment below, because we will create for you. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please hit the subscriber bell button below. And if you think the video can benefit to someone, please share our video to them so that we can help more and more Chinese learners on their Chinese learning journey. And I will see you on our next videos. Bye bye!